Welcome to BLVD.com. I am Dan the Wheelchair Van Man, and here we have a 2025 Toyota Sienna. This is going to be the Platinum version, and it features a BraunAbility Power XI in the floor ramp. This power in the floor ramp stows beneath the floor, therefore it's out of sight, out of mind. If you look on into the vehicle, we still maintain our third row bench seat at the rear. Lowered floor is just forward of that rear seat, and that carries all the way up to the front firewall. What that means is that those seats have been placed on risers, which brings those seats back to their original height and location. However, we can remove those seats in a matter of seconds for easy cleaning or to allow access for the wheelchair user to come up. The features that the Toyota vehicle came equipped with prior to the modification are going to be retained. There's a couple of exclusions on that, one of them being the side door auto opening. Because we've added the ramp, we deactivate that feature. The kick feature for the rear is still 100% intact and capable to be operated. Toyota has done some updates to the interior of the vehicle for the 2025 model year. Braun has done an update to this. This vehicle now gets the Smart Suite, which is a pretty advancement within the technology. Main difference is for troubleshooting. If we ever do have a fault code, it's going to store into that. We're going to use a computerized diagnostic to confirm the failure, and it's going to help us isolate that issue very, very quickly. Lots of storage at the rear. Now, we do not modify the hybrid on the all-wheel drive platform. Big reason on that has to do with the gross vehicle weight, and post-modification, the remaining capacity that is left in the vehicle is very, very low. If you want to check this for yourself on any wheelchair van that you are shopping for, you'll see in the door jambs where they will have this sticker available for you to see what the capacity is. On this post-modification, you have 926 pounds of capacity remaining. But if you're looking for 2025 Toyota Siennas, check out BLVD.com. We've got over 5,000 new and used wheelchair vans for sale. We ship them directly to your home or to your business. Questions, comments, leave them below.